Well, as we reported last week, some of the country's leading CEOs are concerned that changes to immigration policy will hurt not only their own companies, but the broader economy as well. And as Aditi Roy reports, it could cause skilled workers to leave the U.S.
Shilpa Sachdev has worked in the U.S. since 2013. She moved to the country from India to be with her husband, who was working as an engineer for Microsoft under an H-1B visa. She was able to live in the U.S. under an H-4 visa, designed for spouses of H-1B workers, but there are restrictions. Despite having a college degree and several years of work experience in India, Sachdev wasn't allowed to work in the U.S.
I spent a significant amount of time at home by myself. I was apprehensive to go out and meet people because I would constantly question why wasn't I allowed to contribute to the American economy as well.
In 2015, the Obama administration approved a provision that allowed H-4 workers to be employed in the U.S., and Sachdev started working. She's now a content manager for cloud computing firm ServiceNow. Her husband is an engineering manager at Facebook. The couple owns a home in Los Gatos, California.
For me, being able to work can be summed up in one word: it's independence.
But that financial independence could soon end. The Trump administration has indicated in a recent court filing that it will reverse the Obama-era decision and prohibit H-4 visa holders from working. And companies, many of which depend on foreign labor, are speaking out. In a letter to the administration, top CEOs warn changes to the H-4 work authorization will likely cause high-skilled immigrants to take their skills to competitors outside the U.S.
For us to have policies in place that discourage foreign talent from making the United States their home obviously is going to have a trickle-down effect to companies.
But those who oppose H-1B and H-4 holders working in the U.S. point to cases at Southern California Edison and Disney, which have been accused of displacing U.S. workers with lower-paid foreign employees.
And so it goes on constantly throughout the job market, where these companies are replacing Americans with cheap foreign workers.
Sachdev says the hardest part for her is waiting.
You're at the mercy of what the administration will do. So it's just a wait and watch game from here on out, and it's not fun.
There's a good chance if she's unable to work, both she and her husband would move abroad. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Aditi Roy, San Francisco.